Welcome back to Cheap Tool Reviews, where we review the cheapest tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, you name it, we'll review it. And to those of you that are subscribers, thank you very much. If you're not, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. We upload every Wednesday, so we're trying not to run out of tools or anything like that. But today's something a little bit different. And normally we've been reviewing power tools and whatnot, but this is a tool that I've actually been wanting for a while. And I never bought it because I was, hesitant. But now since we're doing these reviews, I figured this is actually a good thing to review. So I'm gonna bring that in here. This is actually a bag full of tools that we're gonna be reviewing. So I can't let you guys see what's in it yet. But okay, so this is it right here. So this one actually cost, let me double check, guys. I don't wanna give you guys the wrong information. This one actually cost $3.75. It's a bolt deburring tool. So basically, we all mess up the bolt every now and then, and we're right there trying to get the nut back on, and we just cross thread it and use the impact and just say good enough. But this will hopefully solve that issue. So let's open this up, guys. And so maybe some of you guys have seen this tool, and they have it in like an electromagnetic type packaging that electronics come in. I don't know why they did that, but let's get this thing open up. So this thing, like I said, guys, $3.75 I said, and this thing here is supposed to deburr the bolts. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm actually gonna test a few different ways of. I've heard of different stories on how to fix the thread if you're gonna cut it, or So we're gonna try those because I've never done it, and we'll put this to the test, and we'll put some other versions that I've heard of fixing the thread to the test and see if it really works. But I mean, as you guys can see, just a piece of metal, and inside here they're supposed to be sharp, but it's not cutting me, so who knows how that works, unless it's defective. Hopefully not. But for $3.75, and this actually fixes the thread after you've messed it up and whatnot, if that actually works, I mean, that's worth it for $3.75 shipped to your house. So we're gonna test it out, guys, and we're gonna see if this actually does work. So I know it's a little bit different from what we normally do, but this is still, if it works, it's a good investment. So let's go outside, guys, and we're gonna put the different methods that I've heard of to the test and put it up against this and see which one works better, guys. So here we go. All right, guys, here we are back outside with the good old testing workbench. So we're actually gonna be using the tools that we've reviewed in the past. We got the impact and the electric grinder that we're gonna be using for this test. So I guess we'll start off with the theories that I've heard of actually fixing a thread. No idea if it actually works, guys. Or should we just jack up the thread first and test this out? So, you know what? We're just gonna mess up the thread and fix it, and then we'll do that versus the old ways that I've heard. So I'm gonna get the grinder. We're just gonna shred. You know what, guys? I gotta go get some safety goggles. Give me 1 second. Remember, guys, I've got metal in my eyes and it hurts, guys. So make sure we have safety goggles. So we're just gonna, kind of cut at this thread a little bit and fix it and see if we can get the nut back on there. All right, so if you want to bring the camera in close so they can take a look at this and see how messed up I jacked it up. So you can see that this nut is not gonna go on there anymore. Oh shoot.
So
it's a good bolt. You know what? Let me mess it up some more, guys. Hold on. Hold on, guys. If this was my car right now, I would have jacked this thread up. Hold on. Let me jack it up some more. Or you know what? I'm just gonna try and cut it off. I think it's dying, guys. Hold on. Oh, you know what? That battery on the other one fits. So if you guys buy that tool, you guys can use it. All right. See, bring that in here. So if this nut works, I'm gonna be amazed at this bolt, but it shouldn't work. So yeah, there's no way that can go back on there, guys. Okay, so let's put this tool back on, or put the tool on the drill. And supposedly this is gonna fix this magic situation here that we've created, and hopefully it works. So just gonna use a regular old drill, and you're just gonna start spinning on it, and this is gonna fix that supposedly. So I assume you have to make sure you have it on a straight thing. So let me angle my vise a little bit different so I still get it in the shot. Okay. See if that worked, guys. I actually don't think that worked. I mean, it kind of cleaned the threads up. No, guys, I don't think this works, guys. Let me do it some more. Or you know what? Let me try and clean up the end, and then let's use this tool and see if this kind of fixed it. Bring the camera in. I don't think this is gonna work, guys, because even if I go at it hard, you can still see that that bolt is not gonna get over that thread there. Oh wait, nope. No, guys, I'm gonna have to say this is, let's go again. I'm gonna try in reverse, see if that kind of helps. But look at that, guys. There's no sharp edges in there, so I don't know how this works. I mean, other than hurting your ears, that's probably the only thing that this is good at. So yeah, guys, it's not gonna work. Let me try and fix this thread real quick, and try the other method that I've heard of. Let me see if it'll work now, real quick. Ah, burned myself, guys. I actually want it to work, guys, because I wanted it to use this. Nope. Guys, this tool is a piece of junk. Just like the other ratchet that we bought. But it's okay though. That's why you buy these tools. We do reviews on them. And so I'm gonna pause the video, guys, because I'm actually gonna go grab another bolt and do the other method that I've heard of that actually works. So give me 1 second, guys. Let me go get a bolt. The method that I've heard is if you're gonna cut a bolt, to put the nut on there first, cut it, and then back the nut out. Supposedly that will, you know, in theory, kind of fix the thread to get it all cleaned and whatnot. So we're gonna try it out and see if that actually works. So we got a bolt on here right now, and we're actually using this tool because somebody in the comments that I know actually said it's just a thing to take the bolt off real quick if it's already loose. So that's what we're using this for, because piece of junk. So let's cut this and then we'll take it off and see if we can put the nut back on after we get it off. All right, guys, so let's use the, shit, I keep burning myself, man. I know better and I always do that. Okay, but, so suppose if we just back this thing out, it's gonna work just fine. I don't want to touch it, guys, because it's kind of hot. Here, bring the camera in so you guys can see the thread is kind of decent since I've backed it out. So let's try and put this bolt back on there real quick. It's hot potato right now. Let's see if we can get it on there. Oh, it does work. Wow. I never tried that before. So I guess, guys, we're going to go back in right now with the final thoughts on this tool. But if you want to save yourself some money and you want to cut a bolt or something and whatnot, put the nut on there first and back it out. It clearly works way better than this thing. This is, you could scrap this. You won't make your $3 back if you scrap it, guys. But it's, I kind of figured it wasn't going to work because it's not sharp in there, guys. But let's go back inside and do the final thoughts on this tool. So as you saw, this piece of metal is just a piece of metal. It doesn't even work like, you know, like the description said. I was really hoping it was gonna work because I actually wanted to use this tool, but clearly it doesn't work, guys. Piece of junk, piece of metal. It's gonna go up there with that orange plastic piece of junk too. I mean, the good thing is that this was only $3. The other one was cost me 50 bucks, guys, and that was it. 50 bucks waste. This, like I said, you could scrap it, but don't buy this. It was convincing. I've seen videos of this and whatnot, and you know, don't believe everything they see, guys. So that's what we're here to do, guys. We're here to test things out, and we got another video coming for you guys on Wednesday. So please stay tuned for that. So like I said, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much.